the crypto elites here. So in this new video, I will discuss about Bitcoin probable scenarios looking for upcoming week, and will discuss some of my recent tweets that I posted that Bitcoin could grab liquidity around $63,000 or $63,100. So let's jump into it. So I'll just explain my recent tweet 2 hours ago. So here I mentioned that Bitcoin should liquidate high leverage longs at $63,000 area. So that's my first heading. So next we can see the EMA rejection area that we get rejected multiple times from this area, and we can see a possible bounce at least for this area. At least we get from this area, and once we break this downtrend, we are easily going to $67,000. First target we have $67,000, and second target obviously $69,000. Then we will see further with 72,000, 75. That's too long. But for current scenario, we are getting rejection by 200 EMA in this one time frame. But if you can see, we get constantly rejected at this area, and we have a very good support at 64,374. But actually, we break it, and we just grabbed liquidity over 63,200 and $63,400, as I mentioned in this post. And the second scenario is the SPX 500 RSI has overbought euphoria. You can say it's in euphoria. So major correction would happen. At least 50 to 60 points of correction will happen. Second thing I mentioned in this post that the DXY dollar index has break down their resistance and looking bullish at least for $106. That's not a good news for us, but it may take rejection from this area. So let's see what's happened. And next, mentioned that USDT dominance forming a rising wedge pattern in 4 hours as a 1 day time frame. So looks bullish. If it breaks down, we will see more money in Bitcoin and altcoins in upcoming weeks. Next, we discuss a scenario about Bitcoin dominance. That I'm discussing this scenario from 2 to 5 days on my Twitter. So the scenario goes like a triple top pattern in Bitcoin dominance. This is bearish pattern, and if we break this 55% level, we can get 54.64%, and then we'll cool down at 54%. So let's see how it goes. So the major money will come in, and major momentum will come in this Monday. So if we break this downtrend on Monday, we will grab the liquidity and SL of those who shorted at this area around 66,000 or 65,500. We'll get the SLs around there. So that's another thing we have to look out. And the major reason for this jump or this spurt is that the news came in that Germany selling Bitcoin is the bearish thing. Germany government selling Bitcoin, but I think it's again spurt. And ETFs outflows around $900 million in few weeks, almost this June. I think we see almost $900 million, not small money, but we see outflow in this 2 or 3 weeks. So it's pretty concerning, but let's see how it goes. But one thing is true that, as I told in this tweet and as I'm telling you again, that ETFs money are new money. They don't invest it before in crypto, or they don't invest it before in Bitcoin. So it's a complete dumb money. They don't understand at 66K to 67K in this week. I am expecting possible bounce, but before that we will grab at least $63,000 liquidity, or if we bounce at least for 65,000, and then we take another rejection from the 200 EMA. So that's another case. But my psychology is saying that major amount of liquidity has around upwards, so we will need to get upwards to wreck all that short sellers, or we need a short squeeze right now. So another short squeeze scenario can be there if Ethereum ETF can live. If when the Ethereum ETF can live, we will see Ethereum will break the level of. I will show you which level Ethereum could break if Ethereum ETF gets live. So this is the level of Ethereum that Ethereum is consolidating, and Ethereum in manipulation zone. As I mentioned in my previous tweets, Ethereum in the manipulation zone. So you just need to extend this one. So once Ethereum break this 3650 or 3690 areas, we will see a rally towards 3800 or 3900 or maybe $4,000 in Ethereum. And now short Bitcoin, so I will just go like this. and I think this was the area to short at 400, and you have SL above this. Above this is close. We need to trade. We need to close our trade. Above this is our SL, so we can put a short right now here, and let's see how it goes. It's a very tight SL. We need to have very tight SL to trade it now. So I have a short-term target now, almost $63,600 or $60,800. We will book some profits, almost 75 to 7%. We will book our profits on this area. So that's the thing. And major thing we will see is in shorter time frame. I'm telling you, shorter time frame. In weekends we will see a pump and down. Like we will go for $65,000 also. We will get the liquidity of 63,800. I'm mentioning you. But looking for now, there's no volume to get for momentum. So I'm looking at this liquidity, $63,000 liquidity, or 63,400 or 200 liquidity will grab. So that's the current scenario for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's see how it goes, and that's for this video. That much for this video, and I will post some regular update videos or a gem video on this channel. So let's stay. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow us on Twitter, or you can join us on Discord channel where we have a pretty barter trading system. We will discuss it later. But that much for this video, and thank you for watching. Bye. Peace.